Good morning. Exercise 11.1. Question number 4. Construct the following angles 75, 105 and 135 degree. In last lecture, we draw angle 90, 45, 30, 22 and half and 15. Write there its steps. Now we write here construct 75 degree. Given part ray OA is given. Ray OA is given. First we draw at O initial point angle 70, 60 and bisector of O 60 and 90, between 60 and 90, then we get 75 angles. Suppose 60 plus 90 is equals to 150 divided by 2 is equals to 75. Divide by 2, that means it's bisector. We find. First we draw here angle 90. We draw here angle 90 at the center with any radius, center O. It intersect at B, taking B as center and same radius we draw which intersect again circle at C. Now we draw point D. Now construct 90 angle between 60 and 120. We draw it is 90. Now we construct here 75. This angle is 60, point C, point D, E becomes angle 90. Now bisector of angle 150, that means 90 plus 60 is equals to 150. We draw here first arc on center as C and any radius center at E and C. We draw here. That means that gives 50, 19 minus 60 is equals to 30. Half of 30, bisector of 30 is equals to 150, 15, then 60 plus here this angle is 60 and it is 15. These angles XOA or XOB is equals to this angle is equals to 75 degree. Again, first we draw a ray OA taking as O center and draw any arc which intersect at B. B as a point, center and any radius same radius we get intersect at C. Other arc is D. Intersect by them, then we draw angle 90. Between 90 and 60. 90, and here 90 and 60 on this circle, it is 15 degree. Then 60 plus 15 is equals to 75 degree. This angle XOA is 75 degree, which is our required angle. Now 105. We draw here 105. Write steps of construction on self 105 degree. How we draw 105 degree? 210. Which sum is 210 divided by 205? First it is becomes between 90 and 120. 90 plus 120, 210 divided by 2 between these 90 and 120 is equals to 105 degree. Taking ray OA, OB, AB, any number, taking OA center and same OA center and same radius we draw here. $60, 120, then we draw angle 90, it is 90. Now from here we put bisector of 90 and 120, it is 105 because difference is 30. Then bisector of 30 angle, it is 15. 90 plus 15 is equals to 105. Hundred and 5 degree. First we draw angle 90 and then angle between 90 and 120. Bisector of this angle is equals to 105. Now, how we draw? First we draw ray OA, taking OA center and some radius, draw an arc of a circle which intersect OA at B. Taking B as center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc which intersect at point C. Taking C as radius and same on D. Draw ray OE passing through C. OE here C, and then this angle is equal between 60, it's also 90, and 90 plus draw the ray OG intersect, here ray OG intersect the arc drawn in step H, which is FOG is equals to 90 degree, and angle GOA is equals to 90 plus 50 is equals to 105. Thus, construction is drawn here for angle 105. Now, construction of this angle 135. To construct angle 135 degree, how we draw angle 135? To construct, we write here given part, draw a ray AY. To construct an angle of 135 degree at O. First we draw here ray OA. Ray OA. Produce AO to A dash to form ray OA dash. We produce here ray OA dash here. OA dash. Taking O as center and some radius, draw an arc of a circle which intersect OA at B. Here we draw which intersect at OA at B and OA dash at B dash. Taking B as center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting at C. Intersecting at C, this arc. Taking C as center with same radius, draw an arc which intersect at D, which intersect at D. We draw arcs to intersect each other at G. Here It is 90. It is 90. Now, which intersect at E? G, otherwise E. Intersect at G. Taking B dash and G as center of, because here 90, this angle 90 and 180. 180 plus 90, 270, its half angle is equals to 135. Then we draw here half of, here suppose this measure, taking an angle from B dash and G, we draw an angle which intersect at H angle HOA is equals to 135 degree. HOA is equals to 135 degree. First we draw here ray OA produce OA dash, O as a center, and draw an circle which intersect OA at B and OA dash B dash. B as center, we draw angle 60, 90, 120 and then draw angle 90. Now angle 90 and angle which intersect at G and B dash, taking G and B dash as center and radius half of B dash G. These arc intersect at H. These arc intersect at H. Then angle HOA is equals to 135 degree. We draw here now steps of construction. Given part to construct, we write here. Produce which ray? AO ray AO to A dash, to A dash form ray OA dash, OA dash, taking O as center and sum. We write in all construction, you write center and same radius, sum radius, draw radius, draw an arc of a circle which intersects OA at a point B and OA dash at point B dash. OA dash at point B dash. Taking B as center, with same radius as before, with same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at a point C. Previously drawn arc at point C. We draw here point D and draw ray OG, making an angle 90. Then we construct, then we draw an arc, we construct an angle of 90 degree which intersect previous arc drawn arc at G at previously arc at G. Again, taking B as center with same radius as before drawn an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at a point C here. Then we construct an angle of 90 degree which intersect previously arc at G. Now G as center and B dash as center. Then and given name H. Taking B dash and G as center, here we give name G. G dash as centers and with radius more than half B dash G, half B dash G. Draw an arc to intersect each other at H. Draw the ray This ray OH is the bisector of angle B dash OG. That is angle B dash OH is equals to 1/2 into 90 degree is equals to 45 degree. B dash OG. This angle B dash OG. Here we draw OH. No, GG is B dash OG is 90 and B dash O. We know here OH. B dash OH is equals to 1/2 of 90 is equals to B dash OH is equals to 45. Then here this angle 45, 90 plus 45. Angle HOA is equals to HOA is equals to, here this angle is equals to 45. This angle is equals to, it is also 45 and it is 90. 90 plus 45 angle DOG plus angle GOA. Angle DOG plus angle GOA is equals to, DOG is equals to 45 plus GOA is equals to 90 is equals to 135 degree. Angle HOA is equals to 135 degree. Here it is DOG plus, no, DOG not, HOG. Here HOG plus GOA. HOG, D is here for this 120 number, 120 measure R. D for this, it is D. C, D, G, H. Here it is G. Again, steps of construction. Produce AO to A dash from ray OA dash. We draw first ray OA dash, OA and OA dash. OA is the center and some radius intersect OA at B and OB, B dash, OA dash at B dash. Now B is center taking angle C and D, then construct angle 90 and it intersect at G. G and B dash, angle B dash OG is equals to 90. Bisector of this angle, it becomes 45 here from G and B dash here. Then 90 plus 45, this angle is equals to 135